In this video, we're going to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of glue-on gaskets. Let's start with serviceability. One of the disadvantages for glue-on gaskets is its serviceability. If you need to replace gaskets to clean the plates properly, it can be a bit of a pain to do. Here is an example of mechanically removing glued down gaskets, which can be a bit of a pain. We've found heat is one of the better options. As the glue heats up, it becomes less adhesive and allows the gasket to be removed cleanly and quickly. After removing the gasket, there is some residue left behind, usually from glue or parts of the gasket that get stuck. You can see it here. It is also there when done mechanically compared to glue. It is better, but there is still stuff left behind. To remove this, to ensure that the new glued down gaskets stick to the plate correctly and have no chance of leaking, we like to take a die grind and remove all the excess bits of glue and existing gasket material that is stuck. You can see the difference from just removing the gasket to actually cleaning the plate. Once the plate is clean, you apply a new layer of glue to the plate. This is done to help secure the gasket in place. The advantages gasketed plates have in terms of serviceability is you can hang the plates in the frame of your unit and pressure wash on site. The disadvantages are the time it takes to remove the gaskets, where if you have hang-on gaskets, you simply just remove the gasket from the plate, wipe the plate down, wash it, make sure your channels are clear and free of any debris, and install the new gaskets. The glue and the hanging clips' main purpose is to hold the gasket onto the plate while you install it into the unit. When you crush your unit, that is what holds the gaskets together. Please make sure your unit is tightened correctly to prevent any leaks.
Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful. And for more information or to schedule an inspection, please contact us via our website www.incor.com.au or give us a call at 03 9800 4118.